Good day everyone and welcome to our tutorial video about CMD. As we march to the future, the needs of computer expert is a must. If you are interested of becoming one of the great pioneers in technological advancement, let's take a small step and learn about CMD. I am Anthony Glenn Gulye.
And I am Dave Zachary Macarayo, and we are here to talk about CMD.
By the way, what is a CMD? A CMD is a default command line interpreter for the OS2, Ecom Station, Arca OS, Microsoft Windows, and React OS operating system. The name refers to its executable file name. It is also commonly referred to as CMD or the command prompt, referring to the default window title on Windows. The implementation differs on various systems, but the behavior and basic set of commands is generally consistent. So in this tutorial video, we are going to tackle basic commands like dir, cd, md, rm, copy, move, cls, run, del, exec, echo, type, fc, and the help command. So the first basic command, the dir. The dir command displays a list of a folder's files in a subfolders. The second command, the cd command. The cd command displays the name of the current directory or changes of the current folder. The next command, the md command, creates folder or the new directory. The next command, the rmdir command. It is a command in CMD prompt that deletes a folder. The next command, the copy command. The copy command copies files from one location to another. The next command, the move command. The move command moves files from one another folder to another. The next command, the run command. The run command is a command in CMD that changes the name of a file. The del command. The del command is a command in CMD that deletes one or more files. The exit command. An exit command is a command in CMD that terminates batch script or current command. The echo command. The echo command used to display a message or to turn off a message in a batch script. The next command is the type command. A type command is in CMD that displays the content or of a certain text file. The next command is the fc command. It compares two files and displays the difference between them. Next command, the cls command. Basically a command that the command is used in clearing the screen. The next command, the help command. A command that you are going to use if you have uncertainty in issuing a command, and it will display a list of command and its corresponding function. Execution phase, to be executed by Dave Zachary.
Hello everyone! In this part of the tutorial, I'm going to show you how to execute the commands that is discussed previously. So the first command is dir. Its application is that it lets you see all the files that is inside your current directory. So if I am inside user, it's gonna tell me all the files and directories inside users. The next command is the change directory command or the cd command. So if I type in cd and let's say I want to go to the desktop directory, so I should just simply type in cd desktop, hit enter, and now I am inside cd desktop or desktop. The next command is a command that lets you create a new directory. This command is make directory command or md. So if I type in md and let's say I want to create a new folder, let's say test3. So I'm going to type in md test3, hit enter, and if I check in directory, it will show me that I have created a test3 directory. So if you just want to go there, you can just type in cd test3 there, and if you want to go back, you can use this command. So the next command that I'm going to talk about is the remove directory command, which is denoted by this symbols. So what this does is that it removes your directory, a specified directory in the current directory that you're in. So for example, I want to remove all the test directories, then I should just simply type in these commands. So if I hit enter and I check it, the test tree is removed. And if I want to remove test 2, I should just simply type that, check that, there you go, test 1. And if I want to remove test 1, that, and there you have it. I don't have test directories anymore, which means they're deleted. The next one that I'm gonna talk about is the copy command. So what this does is it basically just copies a file to a specific folder of your own choosing. So if I type in copy, and then let's say I want to remove rrl links that text, be sure to include that text to, let's say I want to move it to test, copy it to test. So if I type in that, let's say yes, there you go. And if I move into the test and check its directory, it is there, it is copied. And if I go back in desktop and check directory, it is also there. So there's now 2 copies of rrl links that text. The next command is simply a command that lets you move one file to another directory. So let's say I want to move the rrl links that text in my test directory. So let's execute this. Okay, so let's move rrl links to let's say I want to move it to desktop. Dave. I have a Dave directory, so let's say I want to remove it there. So you specify which directory or which pathway it's gonna move, and it is now moved. So if I check in the directory of test, it shows me that there is no file. And if I go back and check in the directory of Dave, here it says here that I have an rrl links in here. The next one is rename, or the name suggests it just renames the files of your own choosing. So if I rename rrl links and make it to just have small letters, then I should just simply type this command, hit enter. If I check the directory again, it's going to be changed into small letters. Let's say I want to delete it. I don't want this file anymore. So you type in this command, specify which file, and then if I check directory again, it is gone. So the next command that I'm going to be showcasing is the exit command. So if you're feeling lazy and you don't want to move the mouse at all, you can just type in exit and it will exit you to your command prompt. Let's go ahead and open a new one. The next command is called the echo command. The echo command is the type of command that lets you repeat a message that is written there. So for example, let's type in echo, let's say CP is best. So if you hit enter, it will just repeat the message, which is CP is best. The next command is the type command. The type command lets you see the context of the content of a file. So for example, let's let's say cd desktop. For example, I want to view the file URL links the text. So I should just type URL links. Okay, URL links the text. Hit enter and it will show me the content of that file. The next command that I'm gonna show you is the fc command. So the fc command stands for the file comparison, which lets you compare two files. For example, I want to compare two files, name comparison 1 the text and comparison 2 that text. And if I hit enter, it will show me the difference between them. It will show me the content of both files and will let me see the difference between them. So the difference between them is the number of digits, and I can see that now because I used an fc command. The next command is the cls command. The cls command lets you clear the message that is inside the command prompt. So if I just type in cls and hit enter, it will clear all the commands, all the things that is inside the command prompt. The next command that I'm gonna use is help. So help is just basically the command that you use when you forget something or you want to know the specific description of a certain command. So let's say help and then hit enter. On the left side, it's going to show the command, and on the right side, it will show the description. So it is very useful when you are trying to remember a command and you just can't seem to remember it, so you just find it to the help command. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys later.